So let's begin with why programming language. I would actually ask the other question. Why a human language itself? Why do you need a language English? Why do you need Hindi? Why do you need French, German, Spanish, Telugu, Tamil? So many different languages. First thing is, why do we need language? And why do we need so many languages? Can be the second question actually. So what do we do with our basic day-to-day language? In short, we communicate. If I take one word answer, the language is basically used for communication. Now what kind of communication? Any kind of message which I want to pass to the other person, any kind of instruction which I want to give to the other person, any kind of action which I want the other person to take. In all circumstances, we want a spoken language. Yes, it may not be always spoken language. I can probably use a action language. Through my action, I would probably communicate sometime. But yes, language is in general for communication. Communication between two entities. Hindi, English, Telugu and all these languages are used between people, between two human beings, between two intelligent human beings. Because when I talk to you, I use my brain, and when you listen to me, you also use your brain. Most of the time, the fact is, I may speak 1,000 words, but you would only take what you want and you will ignore the rest. That's a fact of the human life. We only intend to listen to what we want, and more than that is all garbage, is all useless. We will just ignore it. So yes, what is the reason behind it? Because you have brain. When I talk 1,000 words, you may take 100 words, and you might have filtered those 900 words which are not relevant to you because of your brain. Now something similar is what we want to do now. With a computer, we want to write applications. What is an application? Now we pretty well know that an application is an instruction and data combination. Any application you take, it is combination of instructions and data. These two things when come together and when they flow in a logical sequence, then automatically an application is evolved. A logical sequence which is purely on the basis of the rules which are required for driving the business. So I want to write an application. So basically I have to arrange the instructions in proper order. I want to manage data which is going to flow through these instructions. That is what we want actually. The data should flow through these instructions.